Okay, so probably my favorite method to solve a quadratic equation is to solve by factoring. Remember, quadratic equations are going to have an x squared. The degree is going to be 2 for the polynomial. Okay, so I want to solve by factoring here. I want two numbers that multiply to be -6 and add to be 1. That's going to be 3 and -2. They multiply to be -6, add to be 1. So I get x plus 3 and x minus 2 equals 0. And you can check that by FOIL. Remember, you always have to have it equal to 0. It has to be the zero product principle that we're using. Okay, because it was already set to 0, I was okay. All right, so either x plus 3 equals 0 or x minus 2 equals 0. And you'll get to a point where you don't have to maybe write that out, but we get x equals -3 or 2. And you can check those, and they're great. And yeah. All right, so here's another one. We're set to 0. Got to check for that. It is a quadratic equation. We're going to solve by factoring. So we want two numbers that multiply to be 15 and add to be 8. So this gives us a chance to practice our factoring more. But those two numbers are going to be 3 and 5. So we get x plus 3 times x plus 5. Now, if you're wondering, hey, why aren't you using the grouping method? Well, my leading coefficients have all been 1 so far. So I get x equals -3 or -5. Now, if you don't see that, you can always write this out. X plus 3 equals 0. Subtract 3 from both sides. And do the same thing with the other one. Okay? But those are the answers. We're getting two solutions here.